Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Today, we are here to learn the use of capital letters and full stop.
So children, today we are going to rewrite some sentences using capital letters and full stop. Remember, we have done this before and we are going to revise it today. So, before we start writing, I need you all to go through the rules for using capital letters and full stop. Okay. So I am reading it, you just listen. Rule number 1 is capital letters are used at the start of a sentence. Whenever we start a sentence, the first letter should always be capital. Okay? Second rule is capital letters are used for names of people, pets, places, days of the week and months, etc. That is proper noun. Whenever we write a proper noun anywhere, we use the first letter of the proper noun, capital. Okay, for example, my name or your name, whenever we write a name, we will write the first letter, capital. Rule number 3, I on its own is always capital when you are talking about yourself. I on its own means when you are writing a single I. When you are talking about yourself and you say I, then we write it as capital I. So I on its own is always capital when you are talking about yourself. And the fourth one, full stop comes at the end of a sentence. Whenever we end a sentence, we put a full stop there, okay? So children, here are the rules for using capital letters and full stop. What is rule number 1? Capital letters are used at the start of the sentence. Remember, whenever you start a sentence, first letter should always be capital. First letter of the first word. Okay? Second rule is capital letters are used for names of people, pets, places, days of the week, months, etc. That is proper noun. For example, name of people, your name, or if you take my name is Anupama. So whenever you will write my name, then A should always be capital of my name. Or whenever you write your name, then first letter should be capital. Pets, when you keep pets at home, then you give a proper name to them. Okay, Tommy. Then T will be capital of Tommy because it is the name of your pet, that is the proper noun. Places, Mumbai. Okay, Boisar. Whenever you write Mumbai, M should be capital. Boisar, B should be capital. Okay. So, places, name of the places, first letter should always be capital. Days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whenever you write, first letter should be capital. And again, months of the year, that is January, February, March. Whenever you write it, you will write the first letter capital. Why all these are proper nouns? Why you will write the first letter capital? Because all these are proper nouns, and whenever we write a proper noun, we write the first letter capital. And rule number 3, whenever you write I, a single I, that is I on its own, is always capital when you are talking about yourself. Okay, either at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence. If you write a single I, you have to write it capital. And the last one, fourth point is full stop come at the end of a sentence. Whenever we complete a sentence, at the end we put a full stop. This full stop shows that the sentence has ended. Okay, so this was the end of the sentence, so we will put a full stop there. Okay, now let's write some of the sentences, and we are going to see where we need capital letters and full stop. Let's start. On the top you will write revision. So today's date, leave the first line, start from the second line, and our question is rewrite the sentences with capital letters that is wherever capital letters are needed, and full stops. Remember, we have to give full stop at the end of the sentence. And our first sentence is girls love dolls. This is our question. All the letters are small. Okay, you will also write all the letters small. Now we will see which letter has to be capitalized here and where do we need full stop. Okay. So put your arrow here and start with a capital letter. So our G will be capital G-I-R-L-S. Girls love dolls. Now there was a confusion if we can write D of dolls capital or not. Doll is a noun, but it is a common noun. It is not a proper noun. It is not a name. If suppose we give a name to a doll, Pinky, then we will write P capital. But here we have written dolls, that is a common noun. So we will not write D capital. We will write D small only. Okay? And at the end of the sentence put a full stop. So what we have changed? The first letter of the sentence, that should be capital, and at the end we will put a full stop. Okay, hereby we complete our first sentence. Let's see the second one. Our second sentence is my brother Ram is sleeping. Okay. Now let's see which letter can be capital and where to put the full stop. So in this sentence again we will write the first letter capital, that is M of mine, because it is at the beginning of the sentence. So we will write M capital. My brother Ram. Now, Ram is a name of a boy. Hence, it is a proper noun. So, we will write R capital. Ram, my brother Ram is sleeping. And at the end of the sentence, we have to give a full stop. Hereby, we complete this sentence. My brother Ram is sleeping. M is capital because it is at the beginning of the sentence. R is capital because Ram is a name of a boy. Hence, it is a proper noun. And at the end of the sentence, we will put a full stop. Okay. Let's see our third sentence. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Now we will find out what should be capital here and where should we put full stop. So we will write here T capital for today, T-O-D-A-Y, today. We will write T capital here because it is the first letter of the sentence. Okay. Today is Wednesday. Now W also we will write capital because Wednesday is the name of a day and it is a proper noun. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And what we have to do at the end of the sentence? We have to put a full stop. Okay? So, our sentence is today with T capital is Wednesday, W capital, and at the end we will put a full stop. Today is Wednesday. Okay? Let's turn the page. So our next sentence is fourth one. Last week I went to London. Let's see what changes we have to make here. So here we are going to write L capital as it is the first letter of the sentence. Last week I will be capital because it is on its own. Whenever we write a single I, we always write it capital. When we talk about ourselves, we write it capital. Last week I went to London. Now, London is a name of a place. So again, it is a proper noun. So we will write L capital. And at the end of the sentence, we will put a full stop. So many changes we have done. In this sentence, let's go through it once again. Last, L of last will be capital because it is the first word of the sentence and L is the first letter. Last week, I. Whenever we write I, a single I, we always write it capital. When we talk about ourselves and we say I, then we always write I as a capital letter. Okay, last week I went to London. Now here London is a name of a place, so it is a proper noun. So again we are going to write L capital here. And at the end we will put a full stop. Okay, let's go through all the sentences once again. Have a look everywhere at the first word. We have written first letter capital. Okay. Here in the second sentence, R is capital because it is the name of a boy. And at the end of every sentence, we have to put full stop. Okay. So, and here I. Whenever we write I, we write it as capital. Okay. So this was all for today, children.